Hello guys and welcome back to the market. So today we are going to compare the crypto and the stock market for a little bit. And let's start with the crypto market, which I would like to show you the volatility that we have. Basically, we have volatility in the stock market the same way we have on the crypto market, at least at this point in time. And let's see. So the daily changes, I will show you on eToro because I'm using eToro, and I will also show you on the CoinMarketCap for a little bit, but we are going to focus on eToro right now. And as you can see, daily changes, you get 17, the biggest increase on Kite, and the biggest drop is 3.86 on SNX Synthetics. And if we go on the weekly, it's about the same. We just have 7% on a few more and 6%, so it's not a big drop for crypto market. And if you go on monthly, then yeah, that's the big change on monthly. We have 28%, but what I want to show you is this. So basically we have stocks that have high volatility, either price hikes, price drops, and we are going to go into them, into those top 5 hikes, top 5 drops, biggest movers. And let's check a little bit the market cap now. And as you can see, because not all the cryptos are on eToro, I will show you on market cap. You don't have as big changes as on the stock market, at least today. And you have on the stock market, you have the Peaks Resources Limited from London, which went 40% up, but first it went down and then it went up back. So yeah, we're going to go deeper into that soon. And yeah, you can see on the crypto market, Audiera is 17% up, Gito is 11, and Dexa is 9. And yeah, and the lowest, the biggest drop, it's P with 11, Lighter with 8, and so on. So let's check the stocks a little bit. And we have this one, which let's see, does it pay dividends? It doesn't pay dividends, but it has a very interesting graph, and that's on 1 hour. Let's go on the daily chart. And on the daily chart, so basically what happened here, it went 66% up. You can see here, when I'm looking at this candle, it went 66% up and it went down after. So if I'm trying to trade it, actually I cannot trade this one because I'm in Germany and certain things are forbidden to trade, but it is what it is. So let's move on to the next one, which is a financial stock. It's 221 Invest AG. So this one also went up a lot, but it dropped first. So yeah, what's happening here? Let's see. Those are sort of micro stocks we can delve into. Into the financial analysis. So it's got 3 employees. So there is a stock with 3 employees. This one is from Germany. Can I trade it? For some reason I cannot trade it. So it's basically like you have meme coins, you also have meme stocks, or basically small stocks. And this guy doesn't show how many employees it has. So what I want to show you today, what I want to say is that the stock market is not much different from the crypto market. And let's go to the next one. We have to find one that has a little bit more stability or don't. This one is Europe Oil and Gas Holdings, which has a very interesting graphic, but let's go on weekly. So it basically goes up and down. It went from here, a 2x, a 3x, something like this, nearly 3x, but yeah, if you bought it here. However, I think we cannot trade it. No, we cannot trade it. It's in pounds. The market is currently with the opening position. I don't know. It's because I didn't put any money on it or now, and I'm all in basically. Or I know Germany has some restrictions, and let's go to the next one, which yeah, this one doesn't have employees either. Now this one has 5,000 employees. This one should be tradable for me, I think. Yeah, even a 5x. I have to put some money, I think. You can also short it with 5x, and the minimum number is 9.39. Yeah, of course, that you can buy, and it doesn't pay dividends either, but it has a very high volatility. So it went up 5x, and it also went down. So if you had basically bought it here, it would be 5x, and if you would have bought it here, even 8x. So you can 10x on stocks as well, but you have to be very careful with this. And yeah, it stood in this range for a long time, and now it broke in the upside direction. Now let's go to the next one, which is the last one, I think. Yeah, that's on green, and it doesn't show the employees. Of course, the CEO is here, Søren Jensen. Okay, so the graph looks very weird, and it's down here now. It went like this. So I think it got delisted. This one got delisted. Anyway, what I want to show you is that you have the same volatility, if not more volatility, on the stocks right now than you have on cryptos. And yeah, let's check my watch list. So my watch list is basically sleeping. Those are my cryptos, the ones that I'm holding, and yeah, it is what it is. So I want to show you this as well. You can check the range here and the change, 1 day change, 1 week change, of course, and yeah, 1 week and 1 month change. And you have high volatility on those as well, 60%, 50%. If you're buying and waiting, if you're waiting for a long period, you can make more money than trading crypto actually, because those are less likely to go to zero, but there is still a chance. So you should be careful in what you're going to invest or what you're trading. Now let's go to the ones that went down. So this one, it looks like it had a rally here, and let's check this rally. So 5x until here, let's say, even more, but let's say you would buy it somewhere around here, and you get 3x, 4x. It's, you know, there is a big volatility, and if you short it, you can also do something like this. If you would short it for a few days, for let's say 7 days, you shorted it, and you shorted it with X5 and you get 150%, let's say 30 times 5, 150% profit if you short it. So you can basically do with the stocks nearly the same thing you can do with cryptos nowadays. And yeah, also zero dividends. There are some who pay dividends and they are somewhat less volatile, but you have very volatile stocks the same as cryptos. So yeah, that's basically the point of this video, to show you, those of who have never been into stocks and just have been into crypto, that you can basically do the same thing in stocks. Now this one kept going down. So if you're watching the news and following certain companies, you can either short it. Now this one you cannot short with 5x. Some of them you can, some of them you cannot. And this one, it's utilities, which also had a very nice rally here. So you get a lot of meme stocks nowadays. So it went up a lot. You could have 3x if you would have sold it here, but let's be serious, you would have sold it probably here, or wouldn't have sold it at all. Now this one, how many employees? 201 employees. CEO Luis Maurice. Yeah, let's go to the next one. This one is from Tayo Yuden. It's Punct T. I think it's Taiwan. Or Punct. No, it's Punct Tokyo. I'm stupid. I didn't trade on Japanese stocks. I think I never traded them. However, you can on eToro, you can do a lot of interesting trades. And now this one had a really nice bull rally. Let's say you would have bought it somewhere here. So that's 4x here. It's actually 4x here, and then even 5x at the peak. Yeah, so you can basically do a lot. They don't have news. It's they have news actually. It's a big stock. So some positive news, and you can 5x this one as well, and you can see the price in Japanese yen. And let's go to the next one, which is Go Health Inc. It's financial, but it's about health somehow. Let's see, 850 employees. Vijay Kote, it's the CEO, and the graph looks like it's on a downtrend, on a very long downtrend. But yeah, it had some interesting rallies. And during 2024, if you would have bought crypto here, you would have just went down. And if you would have bought this one here, or even here, let's say you would have bought it here, so it's a 50%, and if you would hold it, would be a 2x more than certain cryptos. Now, why am I saying this and why am I comparing? Because we are in a bear market on alts and on Bitcoin. And let's go to the Bitcoin chart. We have it going down since basically here, since basically October. Yeah, it just kept going down 50%, 53, and now it's less because it went up a little bit. But still, if you're investing in stocks, you can basically trade them, you can short them, and they are more volatile than cryptos. So if people are calling you stupid for being in crypto and it's too risky or something, just show them some stocks. And I get it, some are micro stocks, but those are still stocks. And the thing is, you need to risk something. If you want to earn something, you have to risk something, but you have to be always careful what you're risking, and don't risk all of your money on the same thing. So I will always look on both stocks and cryptos, maybe some materials as well. But let me know what you guys think, and if you've never checked stocks and you've always been into crypto, you should check stocks as well. And when Bitcoin and the crypto market is getting boring, and if you're a daily trader, especially if you're a daily trader, you can look on stocks, but make sure to be careful. So I hope you enjoyed. Give me your opinion in the comment section, and see you at the next one.